Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. Today I'm going to make a crispy chicken with lemon pepper. And the beautiful ingredients you'll need for that great crispy chicken dish are as follows. Chicken thighs, peppercorns, orange pepper, lime salt, ginger powder, garlic powder, lime skin, rice flour, molasses, water, mint, lime juice, onions, garlic, mixed peppercorns, oyster sauce, soya sauce, Thai fish sauce and oil. For the chicken marinade, lime juice, you can find it then, Thai fish sauce, a little bit of chopped garlic. Right, I'm going to place the chicken in there, upside down, inside out, upside down, inside out. Right, we're going to leave that for approximately 2 to 3 hours. Put it on the side. I'm going to take all my dry spices, peppercorns into my rice flour, orange peppercorns, orange pepper into my rice flour, homemade lime skin, which you can make, use lemon or lime. I dry the lime skins in the oven or in the sun. I do it here in the sun most of the time until the skin's nice and crispy. Then I take it out and blend it with the salt. 70% lime skins or lemon skins and the rest salt. So garlic powder. Plenty of it, don't be shy with the garlic, right? Ginger powder, that's it folks, that's it, as simple as that, right? Give that a little mix. Fingers okay, all mixed in properly like so, okay? Come and have a look. Right, oil. Make sure your skillet is nice and hot. So place the chicken into my spice mix, skin side down, like so. Nice hot skillet. Make sure you get a nice bit of spice mix in there, yeah, 1, 2. Just like so. Right, we're going to let them crisp up for approximately 12 minutes skin side down. So while that's been going, we've got about 3 to 4 minutes now. I'm going to put the lime skin on the flip side of my chicken like so. Right? That's roasted lime skins and blended in a coffee blender until it's nice and powdery, then it's sifted out. Bit of work, you need quite a few limes to get that amount, but hey, that's it. Right, let's have a look at that. Yeah, turn that over. Nice and crispy, look at that. That could do with a bit more. We can flip it and flop it, yeah, if we need to. Right, let's cover that for a while. So while that's cooking away, I'm going to make my dip, right? So, chopped garlic, onions, mixed peppercorns, molasses, oyster sauce, soya sauce, and water. Give that a nice little blend. You see it's starting to rain in Caribbean. Right, let that sauce rest for a little while. Let's have a look at that chicken. Tap more oil. Just keep an eye on it. I know I say in the recipe 12 minutes on one side, flop it on the other until the chicken's ready. But you may want to flip and flop it. Hey, that's cooking. That's what it's all about. There you have it. Look at that. Right. Serve these babies up. Nice blackened chicken. Sauce. Rice. Put some mint in the sauce. Like so. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Wonderful. I love blackened chicken. Oh. Now, it's already quite citrus, you know. You may want to splash a little bit of lime on top, should you want to have a little extra pizzazz or extra bit of a in your eyes type thing. Yeah. The sweetness of the molasses and soya dip goes really well with the spice and citrus of the chicken. Wonderful. Nice, delightful little dish there, folks. This comes from my Thai cookbook called The Thai Cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. Got my dog between my legs, you can smell the chicken. Got over 100 recipes in there and at least 45 videos to go alongside the book, so check it out. Yeah. In between the recipes there are stories of my bike trips, because I learned most of my recipes on the road with the 60-70 motorbike trips that I did in covering every corner of Thailand. I put my own little pizzazz to these dishes occasionally from time to time, but they're generally authentic. And met some wonderful, incredible people on that journey who were kind enough to open their hearts, open their homes and share their knowledge with me. And it was a great experience. I'm really happy to be able to deliver to you and experience all these wonderful dishes and compile them into these videos. And cookbook chicken went the wrong way, I think. And so I did oh, not good. I did, oh crikey. Wow. I did diaries at the time while I was over there, thank goodness, otherwise I wouldn't remember. And there are also stories out over there of my life as a chef, sometimes having to deal with hairy, scary suppliers and bike gangs and death threats, snakes in the office. It's corruption, you know, it's like that in some places. It's all in there, folks, so check it out, check it out. If you like my chef merchandise, that's also on my chef shop. My dog, get off my foot. Click on the chef shop icon for my merchandise or the book at the end of the video. Don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. New videos every week. So please don't forget to subscribe if you want to hear and know when they're out by clicking here on the icon over my shoulder. Thanks for watching, folks, and bon appetit.